guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. If it's your first time coming across our channel, I would advise you do well to click on the like button, subscribe, and also stay tuned for more informative and better content just as the one you're about to watch. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to remove PayPal limitations. This is something I've done and how I encountered mine through this process and how I was able to remove and get my account limitation removed successfully. And if this is what you want to really know how it is being done, I would advise you watch this video to the end, get all the detailed information which I'll be talking about, and start implementing them for your account success. So guys, do well, click on the like button, subscribe, and watch out. Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this particular video, I said I'll be teaching you how you can be able to lift PayPal limitations from your account. First of all, so you need to understand this, that the main thing you need to have is a fully verified business PayPal account in order to access these features. So I will advise you go onto the description below to contact me to get one verified business PayPal account for you. So the next thing you have to do is you click on the three line on your dashboard to go on to your account settings. This is the second thing you need to do. You click on the account settings in order to access these features. So as you see, the network is actually delaying, so I have to wait a bit for it to load. So the next thing we have to understand, once it has loaded, we go on to account access. That is what we need to do. You click on the account access part. So you can see different drop down menu for us. So the next we are going to be going on to is to scroll down to where it says lift account limit. Lift account limit. You can see a limit on your account. This is what you are going to be doing next. You have to click to view, and this is actually going to be showing you what your account can receive within a day, in a month, in a yearly basis. So as you can see, this is the amount you can receive, and any amount that is beyond this will actually terminate your account transaction and also withdraw your assets from accessing the fund. So this is just it. So we have to click on lift the limit in order to get access to receiving multiple funds without any restrictions. So the next is that you have to link a bank account, because it is important you link your bank account in order to lift this limit. This shows that you are fully a business owner and you can receive any amount and any transaction without PayPal withholding your funds. So this is just the advantage of having a business account linked and a bank account linked successfully to your PayPal. So once you've linked this to your bank account, a mail will be sent to your email box saying that your account limitations has been lifted, which means you can now start using it to receive any fund from anywhere and without any restriction attached to it or PayPal withholding your funds. So this is just the advantage of lifting your PayPal limitations and also linking a bank account to your PayPal account. So guys, I believe you've gotten a value from this video. So all I will ask you to do is just to click on to like, and also do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.